This high-performance medium was designed and developed to equal the performance of wax-impregnated medium for corrugated board. Although cartons have been made from corrugated board for over 100 years, more and more applications call for their use in high moisture environments. While the flutes in corrugated board make a carton stronger, moisture and water can quickly wash away that strength. This carton is made with high-performance medium and a coated liner. Using wax to make water-resistant cartons is an idea borrowed from the Middle Ages. While it works well in repelling moisture, it also makes the board difficult to recycle. Retailers have to separate any material with wax content from standard OCC, old corrugated cardboard, before it can be recycled. Separating and landfilling waxed cartons is an added cost to retailers and prohibits them from generating revenue from the sale of those old cartons to a recycling company. Landfilling of waxed cartons is a significant problem that will only become worse as municipalities stop accepting wax-contaminated materials. In some cases, they already have stopped. The most common way to make the flute medium resist water is to impregnate it with wax. Special equipment is required to run wax-impregnated medium in the corrugator. This equipment is capital intense, so not all companies are capable of producing waxed cartons. Wax buildup and cleanup are also problems for corrugators. Other wax alternatives use water-resistant coatings on the surface of the medium. This concept has had limited success, as it's difficult to run on the corrugator. Also, the edges of the medium remain untreated. The coating seals over the fibers of the medium, and the starch adhesive cannot penetrate into the fibers. Because of this, the corrugator needs to be slowed considerably so the medium can adhere to the liner. That means lower production and the added cost of chemicals required in the modified starch recipe. This new high-performance medium is a sustainable solution that maintains the strength of the flutes in moist and wet environments. The new high-performance medium is suffused with a special moisture-resistant compound that is activated by the heat of the corrugator. Once the medium reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the chemistry permeates the fibers of the medium. This helps protect the integrity of the flute, while still leaving fibers exposed enough so the starch adhesive can bond the medium to the liner. Board can be made with this high-performance medium on virtually any corrugator. The high-performance medium can also be supplied pre-activated to work on acetrate machines as well. No special equipment is required, and it can be run at normal production speeds. The new high-performance medium meets UN COB and is FDA and CFIA compliant for direct food contact. Another key benefit for both the sheet feeder and sheet plants is that the clippings and trim do not have to be separated from regular clippings and trim. The product is repulpable, so the scrap bales can be returned directly to the source mill for recycling and generate a revenue stream. There is also a high-performance medium 2 that is designed to give the sheet feeder more flexibility on equipment where temperature control may be more difficult. Now, any sheet feeder or converter can make a high-performance product to compete in markets where sustainability and moisture resistance are important. And retailers no longer need to worry about wax content when recycling old cartons.